Hi everyone, welcome back to Paisa Bolta. It's me and Keshav. Alvin is not here today because he has some important things to do with his guide. He's supposedly going to become Dr. Alban. Like Dr. Alban. Remember that rap singer?
No, sir, I don't know about
Before your generation. My
Okay.
generation. Dr. Alban. Yeah. Maybe like that. Alban become Dr. Alban. Albin. A rapper. Indian rapper. Anyway. So if you guys don't like this topic today, please blame Alban because he threw this kakapoo on us and he disappeared and told me and Keshav to talk about it. I don't see any value in this, but because Keshav is insisting that we talk about this, I shall spend the next 5 minutes trying to talk about this.
Yes, sir. Sir, most of us see the news like FIAs are selling their holdings and it is at a 10-year low. We didn't see this much of selling happened in the market. Now the market is at a low level only, but at this time the FIAs are selling their holdings. So,
Right. Market is not on low level, market is quite high. Why are you saying the market is on low level?
sir, but daily dropping by points, not up to that level, sir. Dropping by points and points.
This is fundamentally the problem. Keshav would make a great TV anchor in CNBC. CNBC India requires Tamil correspondents and you want to diversify your staffing in your anchor and you want to give some Tamil boys opportunity to attract the southern market, please give Keshav a look. You can reach out to him and he'll definitely be happy to be a talking head because he's talking absolute nonsense because Alvin told him to. The premise of the article is FIs are selling
Yes, sir.
financial stocks and they're reinvesting in industrial stocks. And why?
Correct,
If
sir.
you read that whole article, it doesn't tell you why. Did it tell you why?
No, sir.
Yeah.
It's just saying that they are selling.
Yes. And it sounds more like when I finished reading the article, I was like, so why am I reading this? You didn't feel it?
Sir, I didn't feel because
We don't have feelings.
Sir, no, sir. I have feelings, sir, but
We have feelings. For what, man?
sir, no.
He doesn't have feelings. This is all Albin's fault, though. You guys should really light up the comments down there and let Albin know. Why are you recommending things like this? Because I would have loved to talk about shares or something interesting like why Geo is asking RBI's nod to convert from a NBFC to a CIC. You know what a CIC is?
Sir, core CC. Core company,
Core investment company.
core investment company, sir.
Yeah.
CAC.
So they want to switch into this because they want to become more like an investment firm, investment than an NBFC. NBFC does a lot of businesses.
Correct, sir.
They don't want to do all that. They want to just become an investment
Firm.
So they're going to bring in a lot of money and they're going to invest into companies. So there's a big shift, I would say, in Geo Financial Services. When Alvin comes, you should pick Alvin's brain on this and ask Alvin, why didn't we talk about this? Audience would have been more interested in knowing why Ambani is trying to
Change the
change from
NBFC into
NBFCs and
investment
NBFC.
firm.
Or we could even spoken about RBI. NBFCs have gone to RBI, no?
Yes, sir.
And they told
They have
RBI, please
requested to
don't hurt us.
Yes, sir.
We're just trying to make money, Baba.
Mm-hmm.
Indians want loans. They want cheap loans.
So,
We're giving them the loans they want. Maybe not cheap, but we're giving loans at least. And you're hurting us. Public wants loans. We want to give loans. Why are you getting inside and spoiling the party? Is what they're telling RBI.
they also mentioned that MSMEs can't do business and all.
Yeah, it's all excuses. Basically, they were having a party, the NBFCs, giving free loans to everybody, charging very high interest rates. Interest rates are 20%, 21%, 22% interest rate. Public don't even know that they're paying this kind of crazy interest rate. You buy a product and you say, okay, put EMI. So let's say you buy a product, 10,000 rupee product, they'll give you immediate discount, 1,000 rupee discount, right? Then they'll say to you, you have to make it into an EMI. If you make an EMI, I'll give you another 1,500 rupees discount. So then you say, okay.
Correct, sir.
Okay, now the 10,000 rupee product has become something like 8,000 rupees.
7,500.
Rupees. Then they'll put service charge, this charge.
And it goes to
processing charge.
12,000.
It'll not 12,000.
11,000.
Yeah, your discount. Suddenly you'll see you're only getting them 200, 300 rupee discount.
Yes, sir. True, sir.
And you're paying an EMI and you're stuck. And he's actually hoping that you skip paying your EMI. Because once you skip paying your EMI,
The interest is
then he'll double the interest.
correct. Sir.
Penalty, he'll slap everything on you. Then you're like, oh my god.
Correct, sir.
The whole joy of buying that stupid speaker is gone. Only the pain of making the mistake is there.
Reminds. Correct.
Constantly annoying you and reminding you. And you see the speaker, all you'll see is that EMI after
Correct,
that.
sir.
You'd want to burn that speaker, but you can't because you're paying the EMI. The speaker is not even yours.
Correct, sir. Happens, sir.
So that's what the NBFCs were doing. And RBI said there's a big problem. They said there's too much of it happening. There's a huge increase. And the way RBI is able to see it is through Cibil. Cibil is what the credit score is, right?
Correct, sir.
So by taking people's Cibil, you can see what kind of loans they have, where all they have loans, which all loans they have. And RBI sees this. They'll ask for a Cibil report. Cibil company sends the RBI report saying Indians are taking loans like this. Last quarter it was like this. This quarter you see an increase like that. And when RBI saw it is alarming, the amount of personal loans, especially loans below 50,000 and less, is growing very fast.
Okay.
People who are like me don't need to take 50,000 rupee loan. Anand does not take 50,000 rupee loan. Even you will not take 50,000 rupee loan. Someone who is even lower than you will be taking these kind of loans.
Understood, sir.
That's a danger, and that is growing. And there's going to be a huge default. And if there's a default in that, let's say there's something happens in the economy, the macro economy level, a lot of people lose jobs, suddenly lose livelihood. All these loans will become defaulting.
Correct.
And
sir.
all these loans, NBFCs don't care because the manager needs to meet target, sales target. He's met the target. He's got bonus and he's okay. Company goes bondi, NBFC goes bondi. Why does he
I won't care. Correct.
RBI will bail me out, no? Government of India will bail me out. Company cannot collapse.
Correct.
They got in the US. So RBI wants to avoid all that. So RBI is saying, hey, if you're going to give so much, you better have so much of money all ready. So the NBFC is saying, what is spoiling party? No, they're giving excuse. They're going, like how you complain, they're complaining.
Understood,
So
sir.
this is what's happening. There's a huge growth in credit in India. This kind of growth should be steady and slow. Indians are borrowing more than saving. It's not a good sign, which is what RBI is trying to correct.
So in the upcoming days, whatever they want to do, they are going to do. RBI is not going to.
RBI has not said anything. RBI said, okay, just they've given a letter saying, please.
We will read it, but
RBI read it and kept it like this and said, thank you very much.
Understood, sir.
Like you go and complain to your father saying, Mummy didn't make dinner last night very good. Daddy will say, please don't say all this. Go away.
Yes, sir.
I want to be married tomorrow.
Understood, sir.
If you have a problem with Mummy, go talk to Mummy. Don't talk to me.
Correct, sir. Understood, sir.
So, but it does hurt consumers, people who need these loans. Loans will become more expensive. People who thought of taking an easy loan to go on a holiday, who thought of taking an easy loan to buy a camera, thought of easy loan of buying some bike accessory. For them, this will become
so
a
hard.
pinch.
Correct, sir.
The number of calls you were getting asking, do you want ICICI loan? Do you want ICICI loan? will suddenly drop now. Amount of SMSs coming to you saying Bajaj, renew. EMI card will all drop.
So
that kind of contraction of loans being given in the market will reduce, which I think is a good thing. Because taking loans, especially when you don't know what you're doing. I got people asking me, which I put up a post about, saying that for Tata IPO, I don't have money, sir. I will take a loan on my credit card and I'll apply Tata loan. 500 rupee I'll get allotted. Anand sir saying 950 rupees. Overnight I'll make profit of double, sell.
Yes,
Pay
sir.
whatever short-term gains, tax and everything, and pay my credit card bill before it's due next month. Just make quick, easy money.
Yes, sir. Sir, some of us already had that idea, sir, because buying in credit card, paying it before the debt time, it gives reward points. And here, after buying the IPO for 15,000, everyone is thinking that it will, in the night itself, it will go to 25,000. So there's a 10,000 profit for me. I will pay the 50,000 there, 10,000 to me, and I have the cash reward points. So using the cash reward points, I can buy anything. They're thinking like this, sir. It's a master plan thing, sir.
Yes. This kind of halibubus only fund managers are waiting for. All your Wall Street, Wolf of Wall Street, no? They will count on you idiots like this. That's why they'll keep sending you messages saying, quickly, trade, do, one day trade, do. Then slowly, once you have some luck, you'll have one
Then they will
success.
call.
Then you will think, I should do future options also.
So,
Why stop at this, sir? Next, I'll take my credit card, borrow for 10,000 rupees, do
And
one
put it in
future
the
option,
market.
and quickly pay that credit card bill.
Correct, sir.
If life was just so easy, Keshav, all of us would be Warren Buffetts. But it's not.
Correct, sir.
All of us will be like Alban, sitting with some guide, becoming Dr. Alban. I'm sure there'll be an uptick of people listening to Dr. Alban today after watching our video.
Yes, sir. I will go and watch
Our
it.
3 followers will at least Google who's this Dr. Alban and listen to some of his tracks. And probably comment below saying, you guys have horrible music taste.
Let's see.
Not only do you guys make horrible videos of no use, you guys have terrible music taste.
I will go and watch.
Yeah?
I will go and watch, sir.
Sure. Anyway, these are kind of news which you want to touch upon. As an investor, do these news matters? No. Should he be worried about FIA selling? No. Should he be worried about them doing portfolio adjustments? No. It's just that even media houses are finding it, there's no much news to write about, news cycles to write about, so they need to fill their paper with something, so they write garbage like this. I'd even post up a post on Instagram to show you when I searched for US Treasury yield. It showed one article on top saying the yield is down, another article below saying the yield is up, one saying the gold price is going up, another one saying gold. The articles are just, one was 4 hours, one was 5 hours, to show how news is. So, yes, it's interesting to read the news, to track long term what is happening, what will happen, yes. But is it going to change any investment things? No. It's like what you learned on, you're reading?
Going to read, sir.
You're still going to read.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Because on the rain, the book got wet. So I'm drying the book.
Yeah, drying the book. Crow took it. Albin took it. Albin Baba.
Sir, but finally I had one doubt, sir. You, sir, no, sir, please, sir. You always say one thing like, don't read the news, don't read the news. So where can we get the correct news, sir?
There is no correct news, Keshav. News
so
is
then
just
how
an
can
opinion.
we know? Okay. Okay, sir.
News is, this is the news. Tata is launching IPO is news. That is news. What you read below that is the opinion. You should buy Tata IPO, that IPO is a great IPO, this IPO is like this and it's going to grow like that. It's all opinion. How does he know? He doesn't know anything. He knows much about what will happen in the future as that Rock, Dwayne Johnson will know what is going to happen tomorrow. You call up Rock and ask him, will Tata IPO price be tomorrow this?
He will say wrong number and cut the call, sir.
He won't even take your call.
It's correct, sir.
Maybe Kevin Hart will take.
Yes, sir.
Which will make Albin do Kevin Hart impression. Our audience will find that entertaining.
Yes, sir. Make him do that, sir.
Yeah. So as Learn to Earn, who is the author of Learn to Earn?
Peter Lynch and John Rothschild.
Not bad. So he would say, track the companies. Okay, do your investment, know about the owners, know about the business, and invest and forget about it. Don't sit and read too much of news.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Okay.
Sir. Understood. Sir.
Because the problem is this kind of news will start influencing you. You'll think FIs are selling, that means market is going to crash, sir. Market is going to crash, sir. Then the market doesn't crash, then you'll come back and say, sir, market didn't crash. You said FIs are selling, the market is not crashing. What
you just said FIs are selling, but that doesn't mean markets are crashing. Understood, sir. Understood the difference, sir. Yes, sir.
So,
yes. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching Paisa Bolta.
And Anand will be back soon, and you guys will get some regular content in terms of Hindi and company related information.
Yes. Thank you.
नमस्कार, फिर पैसा बोलता है में आपका स्वागत है। मैं 24 नवंबर शुक्रवार कुवैत में हूँगा। 3:30 बजे से लेके 6:30 बजे तक इवेंट होगा। इवेंट होने का एड्रेस है याकूत बैंक्वे हॉल, मिलेनियम होटल कन्वेंशन सेंटर, रिंग रोड, अबू तार अल गफारी स्ट्रीट, कुवैत। जो मुझे उधर मिलना चाहे वो नीचे दिए गए व्हाट्सएप नंबर या ईमेल से हमें संपर्क करें। मेरा टीम आपसे कांटेक्ट करेगी। नमस्कार, धन्यवाद, जय हिंद।